The High Court has dismissed Li Shengwu's application for documents from the Attorney General's chambers. Mr. Li was sued for contempt of court in 2017. The grandson of former Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew posted on Facebook last month that he will not participate in the court hearings.
The High Court has now ordered Mr. Li to attend hearings to be cross-examined. He has 14 days to answer AGC's questions in relation to allegations of contempt of court. He's also required to produce documents that he has referred to in his defense.
Mr. Li's lawyers confirmed with CNA today that they no longer represent him, but declined any further comment. AGC said it has applied for a declaration that Mr. Li and his former lawyers had abused the court process when he instructed them to release his defense affidavit to the media before the court referred to it. Now, the High Court will hear this matter at a later date.